Meltio has developed a new 3D printing technology for the fabrication of metal parts. Our patented process uses multiple lasers, which allows part production cost, which is the lowest in the industry. In some cases, our technology is lower cost than even FDM. Meltio's patented multi-laser architecture provides a unique capability in the market. Our laser head incorporates multiple laser inputs and also affords low cost and high power capability. We also incorporated an onboard wire pull system. This gives us high fidelity process control and allows us to switch wire during the process on the fly. Meltio's technology was conceived to rethink manufacturing, not just 3D printing, but also traditional manufacturing, such as castings, forgings, and subtractive machining. There are several key strengths of our technology which benefit a wide range of industries. There's a unique capability to produce metal parts in multiple materials using metal wire or metal powder, independently or simultaneously. The benefits of a multi-laser DD process is that it results in parts with exceptional material properties. The compact heat-affected zone of a laser-based process achieves exceptional microstructure and other mechanical properties, as well as very high levels of densification. We built our process around metal wire, the cleanest, safest, and lowest cost material in the market. There's the open materials platform. This means you can purchase materials from Meltio directly, or you can acquire commercially available materials from any source in the market. Our process produces fully dense parts with superior microstructure, which gives very high performance material properties. This unique capability allows the production of parts with material functional gradients and also the creation of special, unique alloys. For many applications, no post-heat treatment is necessary, and the high resolution of the process avoids expensive post-processing often found in other technologies.